Hi everyone, welcome to my course using Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connect. My name is Zuzanna Jarczynska and I am a Salesforce Marketing Cloud Architect and a Salesforce MVP. I am also the author of sfmarketing.cloud, a technical blog dedicated to Salesforce Marketing Cloud development. Using Marketing Cloud Connect enables marketers to create a unified customer relationship by combining the marketing capabilities of Marketing Cloud with the data and campaign management capabilities of Salesforce CRM. This course is a hands-on guide to using the main features of Marketing Cloud Connect. Some of the major topics that we will cover include sending Marketing Cloud emails to Salesforce campaigns and reports, creating integrated triggered sends, accessing data from Sales and Service Cloud in Marketing Cloud, and creating responsive, automated campaigns with Journey Builder integration. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use the main features of Marketing Cloud Connect to create and manage marketing campaigns across Salesforce clouds effectively. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of using Salesforce Sales or Service Clouds, and Salesforce Marketing Cloud's Email Studio and Journey Builder. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to get the most out of your integrated Salesforce clouds with using Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connect course at Pluralsight.